Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint Forecast Center with your weather web update. Nice to see a dry day today after all the mess that we had to go through yesterday with snow, ice, and rain. Doppler radar looking good at this hour. Dry skies. Few clouds streaming in right now. These pictures were taken in Providence at around 3:30 this afternoon. Some filtered sunshine through increasing clouds, but the atmosphere very dry, so we'll be taking a break from precipitation. Still some snow on the ground down at the campus at URI. Time lapse from this afternoon showing a mix of both clouds and some sunshine. As we widen out the view and take a look at the satellite and radar composite, you can see lake effect snows through upstate New York. Anytime we see this signature on the radar, it means there's an outbreak of very cold air passing through the Great Lakes, and the leading edge of that colder air, it's an Arctic cold front, and that'll be sweeping through this evening and overnight. So even though it's cold right now, the coldest weather yet to arrive. That rushes in this evening, overnight, and it really sticks around at least for the next couple of days, as Thursday's forecast looks bright, dry, but certainly much colder. We're talking daytime highs that'll only be in the 20s, and we'll have some sunshine, but it really won't help the temperatures that much, and the nights will be even colder, in some cases upper single digits and low teens. So things will be dry and cold for the next couple of days. Then we draw our attention to the weekend with a developing storm system off the coastline. Now initially, with cold air in place, we're going to see a start of snow over the weekend, later on Saturday, and more than likely some accumulations. But the big question now is to whether or not we see a mix or a change over to rain and sleet sometime Saturday night into Sunday morning. That certainly complicates the precipitation forecast as far as amounts. But then again, we're still 2.5 days out, so check back with us. But confidence is high of some messy weather over the weekend, but just going to try to fine-tune some of the details as far as precipitation type and amounts. Temperatures really taking a nosedive during the overnight hours, so by tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. we're down in the upper teens to lower 20s, and with sunshine tomorrow afternoon, I mean, that's it. I mean, we're talking daytime highs only low and mid-20s, so frigid. 7-day Futurecast shows the very cold and dry weather over the next couple of days, and here we are both Saturday and Sunday. Starting off dry, clouds increasing on Saturday. I do expect snow to develop sometime Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. It is cold enough to start as snow, and more than likely some accumulations, but it gets a little more complicated later Saturday night into Sunday as far as whether or not we mix with some rain and some sleet, especially as we get closer to the coastline. But regardless, it looks messy for the weekend, with temperatures recovering to the 30s, and then dry weather returns early next week, Monday and Tuesday, with sunshine and still a bit below average with the temperatures, with highs only in the lower 30s.